Namaskar friends. Guys, when it comes to communication in English, if this is what you have in your mind and it turns out to be this when you actually speak it out loud, then today's video is for you. I'm gonna give you some really fun tips and tricks practicing which you can speak out T-Rex inside your mind loud and that too with full confidence. So let's begin. Welcome back guys. Guys, there is an advice that almost all of us have received since our childhood that beta, if you want to learn English, then read English newspaper. Well, this might help us be a good reader and may also add up some good words into our vocabulary, but it won't help us much with the spoken English part because traditionally we have been treating English as a course or as an academic that we may learn it just by reading the theory. In fact, English is not just a course or an academic, it's moreover a skill, just like driving a car or playing a guitar, right? The more you practice, the closer you get to perfection. There are several videos here on YouTube with titles as Learn English in 10 days, in 7 days, or even 3 minutes. Trust me, those guys are least bothered about what you learn or you not, they are just there for your numbers. On the other hand, I cannot do any such promise, but if you know the basics and lack confidence while speaking English because of vocabulary shortage or you struggle up forming a sentence, then guys, this video is really gonna help you. Tip number 1, imagine scenarios. Well, suppose your boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever you have, you did something that made them nuts and then now they are completely mad on you. So what will you do to convince them or persuade them and bring them back to normal, or some naughty words or gestures that may bring a smile on their faces? Guys, try doing such role plays, and you may also write the statements first and then try speaking them, or you can speak them directly, whatever you're comfortable with. But make sure while you're doing this, you are alone in the room, otherwise people in your house or like near around you might doubt your mental health. Okay guys, tip number 2 would be translation. Okay, take a magazine, a novel, or even a newspaper would work. Sit with a notepad and a pen and translate it sentence by sentence. You can do the same with your favorite songs and challenge your friends to translate a song that is in your mother tongue into English, right? Guys, trust me, this challenge and this trick is gonna be a lot of fun and it will help you boost up the process of translation and creation of sentences in your mind, ultimately giving you the confidence to speak English. Guys, tip number 3 would be watch English movies and series. Now you would say that you have been doing that already. Well, I know, but only watching isn't gonna take you anywhere. So what you have to do extra is just sit down with a pen and a notepad and scribble down a dialogue from that movie every 10 minutes on the paper. Now practice speaking that dialogue exactly the same way the actor has spoken in the movie. This will exercise your mouth for the perfect English pronunciation and expressions for the English phrases and words. Easy. Tip number 4 would be pronunciation. Guys, when it comes to spoken English or pronunciation, many people tend to develop a fake accent. Well, it may sound cool and impressive to some people, but generally people with fake accent end up being a subject to troll. You don't have to do that. People don't understand that they cannot speak English the same way as they speak their first language. For example, my first language is Hindi, and if I speak a sentence, like a very simple sentence, Mera naam Nayan hai, which translates to my name is Nayan in English, I can speak the sentence in my mother tongue Hindi with opening my mouth as little as possible. Even with my teeth clenched together, I can speak it in a very perfect way. Mera naam Nayan hai, and it won't be a bad Hindi accent. So certainly I'm proud of my versatile mother tongue, but at the same time, while speaking in English, you need to open up your mouth wider, okay?
The great religious teacher Swami Vivekanand once said, Kibar Trump Sarkar.
Yes, Mr. Trump is a perfect example, no doubt. But when you will start opening up your mouth wider while speaking English, you will notice that you have automatically generated an accent that is natural and you will be saved from all kind of trolls. Easy, isn't it? And gentlemen, tip number 5 in your service would be to prefer voice notes over text. Well, in a face-to-face conversation or on a phone call, you might lack confidence to test your newly learned English skills. But while talking to your friends over chat and over text messages, you can send them voice notes, recorded audio through that mic option we have in the right corner.
Well, yes, I will send it to you shortly, but first go and check out my new YouTube video, which is
through which you can put your English skills onto test, and if you have some good friends, they won't be laughing on you. So try it, it really works. My advice number 6 would be social media. Guys, there are many learn English groups and pages on Instagram and Facebook where you can find like-minded people like you who are struggling to learn English. They have interactive sessions, they have group chats. There you can participate and learn a lot from their experience, and they can learn a lot from your experience. So it will really help. Please try it. The most important advice number 7, talk to Siri. Well, yes, if you are an introvert like me and you haven't got much people to talk with in your life, probably that's the reason I'm sitting and making these videos in this room at what's the time? At 4 in the morning. So you always have one lady with you to talk with, and trust me, she gives so lovely replies that you couldn't resist falling in love with her. Guys, talk to Siri.
Hello Siri, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. What can I do for you?
Plans for this evening?
I can't find anything on your calendar for then. I stay away from liquids, but there is nothing like filter coffee.
Damn.
These hacks and tricks have helped me a lot improve my communication skills, and I'm pretty sure that they will help you too. Well, if you find that the time you invested in this video is gonna bear fruits, that too sweet ones in the near future, then please do like the video, subscribe the channel, and tell in the comment box below that what went good and what has even some more scope for improvement. On that note, it's a wrap. This is me, Nayan Vashist, signing off. Until next time, namaskar.